Hi, in this video, I'll show you how the Numpad tool works. It's useful for anyone whose keyboard doesn't have a numeric keypad, or want a numeric keypad as a separate device under your left hand. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. Now you can select Numpad from the list of tools. Let's open Google Chrome to test it out. Before we start, let's activate it by tapping Numlock. The other buttons fully replicate the standard numpad. I'd like to point out that the period key will behave differently depending on which regional number formatting is currently active on your PC. In US or UK keyboard layouts, pressing the decimal key produces a period, whereas in many European layouts, it produces a comma. If you make a mistake while typing, we've included a separate backspace button for this situation. Enter, similarly, replicates the function of this key on a standard keyboard. And the back button will take you back to the list of tools. Improve your interaction with your computer using Keyboard Extension.